Hello guys, welcome back to Radiant Clicks Lifestyle channel. This is Dr. Saddam and this is Mr. Rahul.
Hey guys.
So we are heading to Savandurga Hills. Tomorrow we have a cycle trekking over there and today evening we are going to camp. So today I am going to show you two videos actually. So many of my friends in Instagram they are asking about how to pitch tent on top of my car because I have posted some photos in Instagram. So I got so many queries regarding that. So today I will show you how to pitch one tent on top of your car, any car obviously, but you have to take care of your roof. It should be strong enough to hold your tent. And today we are camping out there. What all the minimum requirements you need to pitch one tent, and what all the things you need to have in your car or when you are going for an outdoor trip, the minimum requirements for a camping. So these are the main things I usually carry. When you are going for a camping, if you want a proper tent on top of your car like this, so here I am using a Quechua 3-man tent. So this is the tent actually. When you are staying inside the tent, you need to compromise on some kind of luxury. So you can easily carry one sleeping bag like this. You will get this in Decathlon for 1000 rupees. This is my camera bag. All my camera equipments, lens, the flashes, all the tripod stands, everything will be in that. This is the tripod I used to carry along with me always. So I have a 400 mm lens also here. And when you are going outdoor, you always carry cans. You can carry water or you can carry fuel also. And I always carry one small toolbox like this because you can't expect a proper facility in an outdoor. So you always have to carry a toolbox like this. So if any mechanical issues happen, you can manage by yourself. You don't need to seek for any help. And for carrying water and fuel, I am using this can. I found this from my kitchen. Actually, I was looking for some jerry cans and it's really costly. It's really costly. It's around 4,000, 5,000 rupees per can of 10 liters. So I got this 5 liters can from my kitchen. So this is my favorite outdoor kit or outdoor box. So in this I will show you what all things are there in this. See this, there are some bandages, some tools, some essential medicines are there, some anti-allergy creams and antiseptic creams are there. And I used to carry one gun also with me. So actually it's a air pistol. So it will help you to stay away from some stray dogs, small animals, maybe some goons. And this is the carry mat I talked about earlier. So when you are pitching tent on top of your car, it will make your car safe from the scratches. So you can carry one carry mat also like this. So that's all in equipments. Now I will show you how I pitch the tent. So before setting up the tent, I need to tell you something. Because when you are selecting the tent, it should be a 3-man tent. Because why I am saying this, because if you are pitching 2-man or single-man tent on top of your car, it will give so many issues on your roof. So always select bigger tents because it should be wider than your roof, so that all the four leg of your tent will be outside your roof, so it won't make any issues on your roof. As I mentioned earlier, if you are choosing a bigger tents, all the four legs will be outside of your car's perimeter. So it won't make any issues with your paint job or it won't make any scratches. In most of the time, what is a major issue that I faced most of the time is the wind. So if you are parking the car in a hill area or in a open area, there will be wind in the night. So there is a chance of falling off the tent. So you can simply tie these four legs to any part of your car like door handles or your rear view mirrors. So if you travel a lot in your car or if you are a photographer or a kind of adventure guy, this is a wonderful idea you can try. So you don't need to spend too much money on your accommodation. Hope you guys really like the video. Please do support by subscribing my channel and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thank you once again and take care.